When the construction design was finished, you need to design an assembly, utilizing the solid bodies as a source for making the parts. So select the solid bodies and use Manage Make Components in order to make the parts. So now we are on assembly level, and we can define the front on the view group. As well, you can define the home view using right-click and choose Fit, the same as you did in the part. Now save the file. It's a must. And when the file was saved, you can go for a Woodwork Design tab, choose a material group, and select a laminated board. You can filter the materials by applying the name or code. When you have chosen appropriate material group like F01 for facades, you can select the panels that need to be made of this kind of material and just apply it. Using the same method, you can choose another material for the body panels. And in this case, we will select nothing, but just apply the material group. And as you can see, since there was nothing selected, the material was applied to all panels without material. Now we can switch to the edge banding, and the edge banding can be applied in multiple ways, so you can choose individual edges or select multiple edges mode. Okay. For convenience, we can hide some of the components using right-click and choosing the visibility. And now we can apply the edge banding for remaining components. The edge banding position can be set to top or to be synced inside of the panel. And we want to make a synced edge banding for a shelf. Okay, and select individual faces in the individual selection mode. Okay, that's it. So we have set the edge banding. Now in the browser we can turn on the components that we have hidden before. Select all the edges mode and choose one of the edges of the drawer and the door. Make sure the position is internal. Then apply the edge banding. Close the window, and that's it. There is something left to do. Isolate the drawer body, remove the material from it, and this component will be used to define the eye box position and size. So use right-click, choose Eye Properties, and make this bomb structure to be a reference. And that's it. So now it's time to define some grain directions. We can pick individual panels and then set the reference direction. So in this case, we want the edge banding to be horizontal. That's the final result of this operation. We will multiply the components in the next steps.